Sa tinakabayugan, 1 minute and 37. Jumper! Mga kaibigan po natin from Barangay Kabayugan. Shot clock, 25 seconds remaining for this last in the final quarter.
Aaron Carpio, bang, 3 points. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Outside jumper for 3 points. Come up short. We have only 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time ng ating fourth in the final quarter. Isang minuto na lamang at 47 segundong natitirang oras. Score po natin 50 against 49. 1 point yung abante ng mga taga-Barangay Bahili laban sa tinakabayugan. 1 minute and 37. Jumper! Bang! Basketball count. Paano talagang hindi nang iiwan yung mga taga-Barangay Buena Vista. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga taga-Barangay Buena Vista. 51 against 50. 1 point lead by Barangay Kabayugan. Isang minuto at 36 na segundo na titirang oras. 10 seconds to shoot. One minute and 27 seconds to go ng ating fourth in the final quarter. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kabayugan, only 1 lang yung nilalabang laban sa team ng Barangay Bahili. Walang aalis at walang kukurap, walang mang-iiwan dahil mahirap mo magtanong kung sino nanalo kaya bukas, kung sino nanalo ngayong gabi. Fake and a jumper! Good by jersey number 34, Abroso, the fake, another jumper! Good pa rin, dalawang tira, hindi bumasket, pangatlo, another miss. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Grabing kaalatan, mga kaibigan nilang serving shot clock down to 6. Purpose good for Abroso, jumper for 2. Bang! By Baldera! Dalawang puntos by Baldera, mga kaibigan. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. 1 minute go! Biglang nag-accelerate ng 3 puntos ang mga kaibigan po natin from Barangay Kabayugan. Outside jumper! Olivar! Bang! 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 3 points! Grabing basketball action. Score po natin all at 53 points. 41 segundo natin ang oras. Score po natin all at 53 points. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper for 3 points! Umumulan ng tatluhan. 56-53. 3 points ang abante ng Kabayugan muli laban sa Bahili. Grabing game ng 6 ng Kabayugan laban sa team ng Barangay Bahili. 36.1, Ricarte mula sa 3-point territory. Ricarte attack, mabibitiwan yung bola. And loose ball, last touch by Ricarte. Loose ball, last touch by Ricarte, wearing jersey number 0. 32.1 seconds remaining time. Last 32.1. Parehong tagi-isang panalo at parehong walang katalo-talo. At ngayong gabi, hindi tayo papayag na walang matatalo dito. And a foul against Durante. Durante committed a foul. Durante, 3 personal fouls and 3rd team foul. Wala pang penalty. Nasa 3rd team foul yung magkabilang kupunan. 29.1 seconds remaining. 24 seconds reset on the shot clock. 29.1 seconds to go. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 25 seconds remaining for this last in the final quarter. Corpus, isa o kalaban itong Olivar. Corpus, inside pass. Palpak yung pasa. Loose ball, last touch by Corpus. Instead, nagagamitin yung mabibigla mga kaibigan, biglang. It is a very good matchup for basketball was brought to us by Honorable Punong Barangay Ronnie De La Cruz ng Barangay Buena Vista. Only 15 seconds to go. Tres nitong Barcoma, hindi bumasket yung tirada ng tres by Barcoma. But loose ball, last touch, 8.9 seconds remaining time. Walang kukurap, walang gagalaw. Pero huwag nyo kalimutang huminga dahil 8 segundo pang natitira. 56 against 53. 3 puntos ang abante ng Kabayugan laban sa Bahili. We have only 7 seconds remaining time. Ibarcoma muling sasalo. 3 seconds to go. 3-pointer. Bang! seconds remaining. 1.7. Wala ng timeout, mga kaibigan ng Barangay Kabayugan. Last 1.7 second remaining time. Last 1.7. All eyes on the basketball court. 1.7 second to go. At magkakaroon po tayo ng 4 na minutong overtime. All at 56 points. What a game!